Yo guys, this is your friend Cindy and welcome to the part 4 of our tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss where to declare a variable. So what I mean by that is, you can declare a variable local to something and you can declare it globally so that you can get the certain variable anywhere throughout the program. So what is a local variable first? So local variable is the variable that are limited to something like limited to the main class or limited to inside a conditionals or a loop. Okay? So if we declare a variable here at inside our main class, okay, so for instance, let's declare a variable 1 and have the value of 20. Now we can use the variable 1 inside our main class. Variable 1, and we have, or we can output the variable 1 as long as it is inside the main class. Now, if we have another method here, so public static void output method, and it's basically outputting variable, and we are going to output the variable 1, it's going to throw us an error. Why? Because the variable 1 is limited, its authority is limited, or it's locally created inside the main method. It means that it can only be used inside the main method. Now, if you have another method that you need to output the same variable, you need to make its authority a little bit wider. So that is where you can make a global variable. So global variable just basically means it is the maximum authority which is inside or under the class creating main itself. So you can copy this and paste it inside the main. Now its authority is extend to the main method itself, and we can use the variable 1 or var1 inside its authority. Okay, so it's giving an error. You need to make it static. Okay, and the error is gone. We can actually use it inside the main method and as well as on our output method here. So if you run the program, it says 20 because the one that is executing is the main method. So if we went to output the var1 here, you can use the output method. Okay, something like that. And then if you run this, we are going to get 2 system outs, something like that. But we are not going to stay at there. So this is what we call a global variable. We can use it anywhere. Now there are cases that we are using conditionals, for instance, if statements, if true, yeah, something like that for now. And we declaring a variable inside it, inside the if statement. So int var2 equal to 20 or 50. Now this var2 is locally located to if statement here. So you can't use the var2 outside of its authority. It is local to if statement. Now if you declare the variable here, it is local to main method, and if we declare the variable under the class itself, it is called a global variable. So okay, so just practice declaring variables and where to declare it locally to something or declare it global itself. Okay, that's it.